Hello and welcome to CoinLex. Today we are going to learn ABCD pattern. So what is ABCD pattern? It's a reversal pattern that helps you identify when the price about to change direction. The idea is that you can buy when prices are low and about to rise, or sell when they are high but about to fall. ABCD pattern consists of three phases or legs, with two equal legs labeled AB and CD. Together they form a zigzag shape. It can be used in Bitcoin or any coin market on any time frame. Now let's examine the ABCD pattern phases for your better understanding. AB phase. When a market is trending upwards, the first leg AB is formed as the price rises from A to B. BC phase. At the point B, the price changes direction and retraces down sharply to form the BC leg. The retracement from B to C can be between 38.2% to 78.6% of the AB leg. However, an ideal pattern has a retracement of 61.8% to 78.6%. CD phase. At the point C, the price changes direction again and continues its original uptrend. This leg CD goes upwards, parallel with the AB leg, and should be ideally be the same length as the AB leg when it completes. The ideal AB equals CD pattern is equal in time and price, with point D being a Fibonacci extension between 127% and 161.8% of the BC leg. Point D is the end of the pattern. You can sell at the point D or just before, where the pattern ends. In the downtrend, it has the same rules, but this time, when we executed the point D, you can take a long position. You can set your stop loss slightly above the D point if you have a bearish ABCD pattern, and you can set your stop loss slightly below the D point if you have a bullish ABCD pattern. Now let's examine an examples for your better understanding. But as you can see, it's really difficult to identify correct ABCD pattern in charts by looking. That's why I will use CoinLex smart algorithm to find the ABCD pattern. As you can see on the pattern tool, simply you can set your ABCD pattern, and with one click, CoinLex will give you many coins informations about it. And if you click this button, you can see it on the charts as well. Let's open the same coin on TradingView and examine it. Here we have our ABCD bullish pattern. As we learned, we expect the price makes reversal and goes up after the D point C. In this example, it happens like this. So, is it correct to open a position only according to the ABCD pattern? Of course not. We should use it with other technical analysis techniques. If we look at the old data of the charts, we have a significant support zone on this area. Price can bounce up from this zone. This is our first signal for a long position. And we can also support our pattern with a combination of indicators. I will use RSI indicator for this time. You can also try other indicator combinations for safer and more profitable trade. As you can see, in this area, RSI on the oversold region and crosses upwards. This is also a good signal for a long position. Now, if we consider this bullish signal and take a long position here, as you can see, it's a successful trade. Now, let's look at for another example. I will use CoinLex pattern tool again to find my coin that I am gonna trade with. Now, let's examine it on the TradingView. As we learned, we expect the price makes reversal and go down after the D points seen on the bearish ABCD pattern. In this example, it happens like this. Now, let's test the area we are going to trade using other technical analysis methods to make sure we can open a position. If we look at the old data of the charts, we have a significant resistance zone on this area. And price can bounce down from this zone. This is our first signal for short position. Now let's see if we can find another validation for a profitable trade. Here we have the hanging man candlestick pattern. This pattern also indicates a reversal pattern and gives us the second signal for a short position. Now, if we consider these bearish signals and take a short position here, as you can see, it's a successful trade. To make your job easy with combinations, you can use CoinLike's custom signal tool. You can make better trades by making combinations like the examples, and CoinLike will notify you when it detects these combination signals. And for not to miss these signals, you can set up an alarm on CoinLike. You can also use our application to not avoid these alarms you created when you are not at your computer, or you can use our auto trading solution on LikeBot without needing anything. Learn and earn. CoinLike. Thank you for watching us today. See you next time.